Radioactivity. Past examination paper work out by Decroly Education Center. Question. A. State the natures of alpha emissions and beta emissions. 2 marks. A sample of a radioactive material produced the following results when its emission was measured, at a fixed distance. Count rate /minute. 490. 310. 190. 118. 82. Time, minutes. 0. 15. 30. 45. 60. B. I. Plot a graph of count rate, y-axis, against time, x-axis, 4 marks. 2. What do you understand by the term half-life? 2 marks. 3. Use your graph to determine the half-life of the sample. 2 marks. Answer. A. Alpha radiation is due to positively charged particles being emitted from the nucleus of radioactive atoms. Alpha emission is helium nucleus, containing 2 protons bound to 2 neutrons. Beta emission is an electron. They are much lighter than alpha particles and have a net charge of -1. B. I. On your graph paper, let the count rate be on the y-axis and TIMI on the x-axis. For the scale, let 6 units represent 100 counts on the y-axis and 5 units stand for 10 minutes. By joining the points presented in the table, you will obtain the graph like this. 2. Half-life is the time taken for half the atoms of radioactive material to decay. 3. Using the interpolation, you will find that the half-life of the represented sample is 20 minutes. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover. See you later.